Welcome to VoicePad's online training series. This topic covers an overview of features on your VoicePad agent dashboard for non-IDX customers. First, logging in. Enter your username provided to you from the VoicePad team. After entering your username and password for the first time, you'll be prompted to change your password for security reasons. The password is required to be numbers only and 4 to 6 characters in length. Click Go when finished. The next screen prompts you to click the Accept button for VoicePad's Terms of Service. Next, verify your contact information for lead notification and live transfers. When complete, click the Next button. The Record Your Name feature allows you to add your name to the narrated presentation. Click Initiate Call Now and follow Eve's instructions to record. Press the pound key when finished. This recording will automatically upload to the presentation. Click Next when done. Next, let's discuss New Presentation. This feature gives you the ability to add new listing features and create a narrated tour. You can promote your listings as coming soon or demo the presentation in your listing appointment, showing the seller the importance of providing information at the curb 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Click the New Presentation button. Next, select the type of property to set up. Let's select residential. Next, select for sale or for rent. Let's choose for sale. Next, you're given 3 options. The most popular and recommended is to choose VoicePad's automated assistant, Eve, to announce the presentation for you. By choosing Eve, the audio presentation is created in both English and Spanish. Or you may record your own presentation using the telephone. Or lastly, type the message and allow VoicePad's text-to-speech system announce your property presentation. Today, we will select Eve to announce our presentation. Now enter the general features of the property. Go line by line and select the appropriate options for your listing and click Next. Go through the next 3 pages selecting the various features, interior features, and using the drop-down menu below. When complete, click Next. Choose Exterior Features, Community Amenities, and lastly, the pricing page. You are required to enter the price of the property to save your presentation. You can select to omit the listing price from the announcement, which will increase the rate of live transfers directly to you. Last, click the Save Changes and Return when complete. Now your listing will appear with the property address and MLS ID. The next feature is My Profile. This is how you manage your contact information for VoicePad. Confirm VoicePad has your correct transfer number and email address. Select additional options like simultaneous ring and buyer transfer alert under the Phone Options tab. Select your wireless mobile carrier to enable the text notification. By doing so, VoicePad will contact you by email and text when lead activity is generated. Also, if you have a multi-user system, your dashboard may include the option for team routing options. This feature allows you to route leads by listing to other team members. Please note, if you selected the solo agent system, this feature is not included. When finished, click Save Changes and Return. Next, let's review the Lead Manager. This valuable resource provides all of your lead activity generated by VoicePad. tell you how the activity was generated, whether it was by phone call, text request, or mobile site link. It includes the caller ID information on each lead generated. Your lead manager is an excellent resource to review and cultivate your next sale. VoicePad shows you every call, every text, how many times your property was searched, along with the date and time. Now let's review the Marketing Toolkit. This is an online resource which provides you with marketing collateral and a social media dashboard that facilitates the posting of your listings to social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Craigslist. Under Listing Tools, you'll find a PDF of VoicePad information. This is a valuable resource to use in your listing presentation, explaining the benefits of VoicePad. The media tracking options and social media statistics tracks the lead source of your leads. This gives you a better way to manage your advertising dollars. Also in the Marketing Toolkit, you may order VoicePad signs directly from your VoicePad dashboard. New voicemail. VoicePad assists you and the team with taking a voicemail when you're unable to answer a live transfer call. If the caller transfers to you after listening to your property presentation and you're unable to answer, VoicePad saves the message and stores it for you on your VoicePad account dashboard. VoicePad also emails you a copy of the message so you can review immediately. You may listen to the voicemail at any time and delete from the dashboard if desired. Next, you'll find the search box where you may search your listing inventory by entering the code number or property address. Now let's review the bottom half of your account dashboard. At any time, you may hover over the column label and click for more information. Moving left to right, the first column shows the code assigned to the listing. This can be changed or swapped anytime by clicking on the code itself. A box will appear and present you with a drop-down menu. Click the menu and select the code you want to use from the drop-down. Then click Swap Code. The next column is the address column. Next, click the Active tab to add or remove features of your property presentation. VoicePad gives you the option to add additional comments to your various listings, such as lots and land, commercial, and multifamily. You simply click to record to add those additional comments. The message is automatically uploaded to the presentation. Let's go back to code assignment. This can be changed or swapped anytime by clicking on the code itself. The dashboard code on the listing should match the code on the sign writer. The next column is Presentation Review. Click on the play button in the Presentation Review column. This gives you the ability to listen to the audio presentation in English or Spanish. This plays directly through the device you're using, such as your computer or phone, so make sure your computer speakers are turned on and they are muted. If you're having issues downloading the voice file, please go to windows.com and download the latest version of Windows Media Player, which you can do right from your dashboard. Moving to the right of Presentation Review column is the Open House Scheduler. You can promote an open house date on a particular property by adding the date to the listing presentation. Eve will announce the date and time of your open house during the narration. After the open house date ends, this message is automatically removed and will no longer play. The next column is the Available Date column. This gives you the option to enter a particular date, month, or season when a property is available. This feature is convenient for rental properties, new construction listings, and can also be used for coming soon properties. The unplayed message column is similar to check voicemail. When someone calls your VoicePad system and listens to the audio presentation, then selects the option to transfer to you directly, if you're unable to take that call, VoicePad will take a message and store it on your account dashboard. You can access your voice message at any time by clicking on the phone icon in the column or by clicking on Check Voicemail. Edit Voice and Edit Price are quick access tabs which take you directly to those listing details, allowing you to edit the VoicePad presentation or edit the price of the property. Next, the trend and detail reports provide you lead activity on each listing. The trend report is a great tool to send to your seller to keep them informed of the lead activity you're generating for them during the duration of the listing contract. Lastly is Property Link. VoicePad gives you the ability to add a link to your property detail page of your listing inventory. Simply add the URL of the property here and click Save. This information is used when buyers request a text link to photos to review online pictures and additional information of the property. VoicePad offers quick stats to summarize your activity. Your quick stats report is located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click the button to see an easy-to-read graphical snapshot of the lead data we collected in just one location. Finally, for further training materials and more detailed topical information, please visit VoicePad Answers or click the support button directly from your account dashboard. Thank you for investing your time to learn more about VoicePad's Non-IDX Agent Dashboard overview.